Um, the customer that I emailed last night bought this basket for me to repair. You will see the top needing to be repaired. The basket's pretty loose, and the bottom looks good, the inside looks good, but outside I am going to have to repair all of this, the loops. So I'm going to probably take this top off first, work on the entire basket. I don't like these handles back in them days. I like the old rainbow handle. But I'm going to repair this basket also for them. Another little nice work back in the old days with the old tops. A lot of us, the new generation, we don't do too much basket with tops these days. So I enjoy getting these kind of baskets to work on. And also had the other customer to email me last night, and that customer wanted to buy a basket. I think something was wrong with the basket, and she wanted to know from me if
Sir,
yes,
for
ma'am.
sale?
Yes, that's for sale.
Okay. And so I guess it's true, right?
Yes.
I'll be back.
Okay. But anyway, the basket that she wanted to purchase offline, she wanted to know if I could repair that basket for her. So I told her that send me some pictures and I would look at it and see if I could repair the basket for her. After I received the email with the picture and looked at the picture, found out it was not a Sweetgrass basket. So thankfully she did not purchase that basket, or she would have wasted her money for something that being sold as a Sweetgrass basket. So that is why anytime a customer sends a basket to be repaired, I need to have a picture so that I can verify that it is a true Sweetgrass basket.